Good morning, class. So today, class 10th, we start chapter number 2, polynomials. I think you all already studied about the polynomials. So the definition of polynomial is that an expression of more than two algebraic terms, especially the sum of the several terms that contain different powers of the same variables. Means a expression is there. In an expression many variables are there, coefficients, terms, all things are there. So the sum of all, or we all say that combined all, like the example is given that x cube plus 2x square plus 1. This is the example of the polynomial. Now the types. What are the types of the polynomial? Mainly three types of the polynomial. First one, the linear, the quadratic and the cubic. Linear having the degree 1, quadratic having the degree 2 and the cubic having the degree 3. I think you all know about that because you already studied all these things in the class 9th. So now directly we start the exercise 2.1. Now in 2.1 only one question is there. The question is what? The graph of y is equals to px. Px means polynomial. Given in the figure below for some polynomials px, find the number of zeros of px in each case. Means px, polynomial of x axis. So look at this, how many zeros are on the x axis. Now the term arises zeros. What is the zeros? Zeros means when you solve the quadratic equation or polynomial or cubic equation or any equation, if you solve any equation, what the value of the polynomial came, what the value of x will become, this is called the zero of the polynomial. Suppose a polynomial is given like that, x cube plus 2x square plus 1 is equals to 0. If I solve this one, I get the value of x is equals to 1 and 2. It means 1 and 2 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Now look at the figure and we have to find the zeros directly. Now in this one a graph is there. So calculate the how many times the graph cutted the x-axis, because he said find the zeros of the px. Now we have to find the zeros of the px. Now this is the line which cutted y-axis only, not x-axis. This is the x-axis. So here the zeros are how many? No one, means 0. The answer of this one is what? 0. I will write there. Answer is 0. Zeros. Now in this one, now look at this x-axis. 1 times it cutted. If you see this one, 1 times it is cutted. So how many zeros are there in this graph? 1 0. 1 zeros are there. Now look at this one. 1 time, 2 time and the 3 time. See clearly, 1, 2 and 3. So 3 zeros of the given polynomial. And here 1 and 2. 2 times, 2 zeros of the given polynomial. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 4 zeros of the given polynomial. And here 1, this is 1 only, 1, 2, 3 zeros. So these are the zeros which are calculated by the graph only. Now we go for the second exercise. In the second exercise, what is saying, a term is there, a formula is there, a term is there. We can say that relationship between zeros and coefficients. Now some relations are there between the zeros. I think you all know what are the zeros, and coefficient also you all know. With variable they are called the coefficients. So the equation, a quadratic equation is given now. Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now two things we have to find. First given is that sum of zeros. This is the first thing. And this is the second thing, sum of zeros. Sum of zeros, alpha and beta. Now this is the quadratic equation. I suppose 2 zeros are there of the given equation, like the values are there now, 2, 3, 4, 5. I assume that one is the zero of alpha, other one is the beta. These are the symbols. First one is called alpha, I write there alpha, and the second one, this is called the beta, alpha and beta. So the sum of the zeros, the formula of the sum of zeros are alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. The value of b is this. The value of a is this minus b upon a. Now we go for the product of zeros. Product of zeros means what? Alpha into beta, that is c upon a. C, this is the c and this is the a. Now come on the second exercise. First question, what the second exercise say? Look at it carefully. 2.2, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So I write the first part and solve it. So this is the first part, x square minus 2x minus 8. First we have to find the zeros. How can we find? Look at it. X square minus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. If this is the quadratic equation, I think you all know how to solve this one. This 8 multiply here nothing is there, means what? 1. 8 multiply 1. Okay, 8 multiply 1 is what? 8. Now we have to break the 8 like this. 2 4s are 2s and 2s. Now 3 2 are came. Now we have to break like that. We have to find the value of x only. If we multiplied, we get 8, and if we add or subtract, we want 2. I think you all know this one. How can solve this one? Because this will come from the class 8th, 9th also. So I will do directly now. So that 1x square, I want minus 2, like this pair, make the pair. 2 2s are that 4, 4 and 2, 4 and 2, like 4 and 2. This 4 minus 2, 2, and 4 2s are 8 also came. Now I want minus 2 also. So what I write? 2 minus 4, that plus 2x minus 4x and minus 8 is equals to 0. Now here what is the common? X is the common. X plus 2, and what is the common here? Minus 4, and here also x plus 2. Remember this thing, both the brackets should become equal always. X plus 2, x plus 2. If they are not coming equal, it means your answer is wrong. So first one x plus 2, second one x minus 4 is equals to 0. Now finally two values are coming, x is equals to minus 2 and 4. So these are the zeros. This is called the zeros of the given quadratic equation or given polynomial. So we get the zeros. Now one more thing, the question is saying that we have to find the verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. So we already know that sum of zeros, a formula is there, that sum of zeros, which I tell you right now, sum of zeros, that minus b upon a, and zeros means sum. We have to add both the numbers, like minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 plus 4 is what? 2. And now here put the formula minus b upon a. This is the a, this is the b, and this is the c. A, b and c. Minus b upon a means minus 2 upon 1, and answer is what? Minus 2, and formula minus also there. Minus 2, minus will be plus. So both are coming equal. It will always come equal. So this is by the verify. Now one more part is there, I will do. Second part is the homework one. Third one I will do. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Look at it carefully. Thus x one term will at the last. I want here 6x square. It will become here minus 7x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now okay. Now I think you will do that 6 3s are 18. I want 18, like 2 9s are 3 3s are and 3 1s are this one. Now I want 7, 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 2, 7 will come, and I want minus 7, 3 3s are 9 and 2. I want minus 7, so I minus 9 plus 2, it will come minus 7, minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. What is the common here? 3x. So 2x minus 3 plus 1 will be common, 2x minus 3. So the value of x is two brackets are there, 2x minus 3 is equals to 0 and 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. So x value is 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. These two values are of. Again verify sum of zeros. Okay, one more thing I forget here. Up one sum of zeros, I want to find the product of zeros also. This is the first one. Second one is that product of zeros, that is C upon A. Product means multiply, like minus 2 into 4, minus 2 4s are minus 8. See here, see. Now see in the question, if you see here carefully, look at this. Now what is the value of C? That is minus 8. So I write here minus 8. What is the value of A? 1, minus 8. Now look at this. Here also both coming equal, and here also both are coming equal. Now go for third part again. First thing, again, sum of zeros. Like sum of zeros we have to find minus B upon A. Sum of zeros means what? 3 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3, and minus B is what? Minus B, like this is A, sorry, this one is the right equation, A, B and C. So minus B upon A, minus as it is of the formula, B value is 7, minus 7 upon A is what? 6. So finally minus will be 7 upon 6. Here also it will come 7 upon 6 only. Now LCM is what? 2 3s are 6. In the table of 2 it will come 3 times. 2 3 and 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 3 2s are 9 minus 2, that is coming 7 upon 6. 7 upon 6. Same here, write the product of zeros. Second one, product. Again multiply both these numbers, then C upon A, you will get the same one. I don't have a space right here, so I will not find, you can find easily. Now after that, fourth and fifth part are very important. They both are different, so look at it. Now this is the fourth part. 4u square plus 8u, like 4u square plus 8u, I write is equals to 0 if I want the equation. That's why 4u is equals to common, u plus 2 is equals to 0. What is the value of u coming? One time I will take this, like 4u is equals to 0, and second time u plus 2 is equals to 0. So u value is what? 0, and here u is equals to minus 2. So two values are coming, 0 and minus 2. Now again, first one we have to verify that sum of zeros, like minus B upon A, and add. Sum means what? Add 0 plus minus 2. Answer what will come? Minus 2 only. And minus B upon A. Look at the equation. This is the A, this is the B. C is not given, so value of C is what? 0. C is not given. Minus B upon A. What is the value of B? 8. Minus 8 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Answer came minus 2 only. Both are same. Second one, the product of zeros. The answer is C upon A. Product means multiply, means both we have to multiply. 0 into minus 2. What is the answer came? I think all know. 0 only. Now C upon A, I already told that the value of 0 is not given. Only A, B is given. C is not given. It means what? 0 upon A is what? 4. 0 upon 4. You all know answer is 0. Both are same. Now we move from the fifth part. T square minus 15. Very important question. They are very different also. Here if I apply this one, suppose 15 is written, can I write this? Can I write this or not? Tell me the first thing. Because if I cut this and this, same only, both are same. So a square minus b square, identity, it will be used identity. The identity is a square minus b square. You all know a plus b, a minus b. Identity is a plus b and a minus b. This identity should be used here. Now a square minus b square, a plus b means t plus root 15 and t minus root 15 is equals to 0. So finally the value of t2 coming, first minus root 15 and second one plus root 15. Now get the zeros. Now find again relationship verification. First the sum of zeros, like minus b upon a. sum of zeros minus b upon a. So some zeros are minus root 15 plus root 15. It will be cut at 0 will become. Now minus b upon a. Now look at the question. This is given a. This is a. And this is c, because t is not given. T square given, that constant is given. T is not given. So what is the value of b? B value is not given means 0. In the previous question the c value is not given. Now in this one b value is not given. So minus 0 upon a is what? 1. Answer is same, 0. And the last one, product of zeros, that is c upon a. And product means minus root 15 into root 15. Root 15 and root 15, it will be 15. And minus as it is, minus 15. And now c upon a. C is what? C is what? C is what? Minus 15. And a is 1. So answer is minus 15. So this is the first question. Now 2 parts are homework which I not done. I will write also, and you can do by your own. So our first question finished and 2.1 also finished. 2 parts are homework. The second one is the homework 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Third one I done, first one done, fourth one done, fifth one also I done, and the sixth part, this is also homework. And again do the 2.1. See it from the book. If you don't have the book, go to the Play Store and download from it NCERT book of class 10th. So tomorrow we will do the question number 2nd and prepare it carefully. Thank you.